Hello kids, today we're going to read Thank You World, written by Alice B. McGinty and illustrated by Wendy Anderson Halperin. We're going to take a look at the similarities of these different children all over the world. Let's find out what countries we're going to. We'll see the United States, Mexico, Mali, Saudi Arabia, Bolivia, France, India, and China. Let's find out what this wonderful story is all about. Thank you, world. Thank you, sun, for waking up the morning and coloring the sky. Thank you, sky, for shining blue that calls me to touch you, swinging high. Thank you, swing. You shoot me like a rocket past birds and grass and trees. Look at all those beautiful birds. Do you see any red ones? Oh, that's a bunch of red ones. Thank you, grass, for softening my footsteps. I'm dancing with the breeze. Thank you, breeze, for lifting up my kite wings past treetops tall and proud. Thank you, trees. Your branches are my playhouse. I'm climbing to the clouds. Thank you, clouds, for painting cotton pictures, sending cool, sweet rain. Thank you, rain, for watering my flowers and washing my window pane. Thank you, window. You welcome in the moonlight that yawns from starry skies. Thank you, stars, for sparkling so brightly. You shine like mommy's eyes. Look at all the mommies. Thank you, Mommy, for tucking in my tiptoes and kissing me goodnight. And thank you, nighttime. Your soft gray shadows will touch my dreams tonight. The end. Thank you for joining us as we read Thank You World by Alice B. McGinty. A follow-up you can do is to find out how they say goodnight in the different countries we've read with today, and also to watch the clouds like they did and see what shape you find. Post the shapes you see in the comments below. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.